European level is definitely one, with a lot of policymakers that can foster this, making, for instance, one idea that we could have is simply that currently all the local production is being valorized through labels and stuff like this, but only at a national level. You have Swiss-made, French-made, but there's no European-made that is valued in the European circle. So in the end, if you're not French-made in France, it doesn't count to be
a label,
European-made.
European-made, yeah.
That's just an example, many others, but fostering this collaboration between the ecosystem, not only at the national level, but between the whole European Union and Europe as a whole, and all the actors of this ecosystem, is something that can clearly bring a lot of value and help these companies and innovation see the market and become live and keep growing.
And ease actually the collaboration.
Exactly, because in the end, all this we see from the companies in our portfolio that there are a lot of traction for these innovative companies. But if they want to survive and scale, they need to have really strong technological foundation, which they often have, but also to be able to be at the market standards in terms of pricing, which they can only achieve through scale and having big enough customer bases
to address.
Exactly.
Yeah.